we define the pi a cos minus 1.0 in bracket. Okay, so here the important libraries are iostream, next one is vector, map, and string. Okay, so you will include that specific library files in your program. After that, also we have some important library files, that is define long ll, define the value of e, that will be given in the pdf or that will be given in on the slide also. Next one is we include only a single namespace, that namespace is std, that will be referred standard input as well as uh, output purpose. So here, students, we will take two variables a and b, two array variables a and b that stores up to 1001 characters in between a as well as in between b, array of a and b. And when we get the input from the user, we write gates. So gates is working like as a scanf, that will be taken the number of characters and stored in the array A. So here we check the condition gets A in while. When we enter in that while loop, we also take the second string as a B, and that also taken by using gets B. So it is not compulsory to use that get function. You also use cin for taking the input for A and B for C++. You also take scanf when you execute your program in C. It is not compulsory to execute your program in C++ only. You will also execute your program in C language. But the thing is that the important thing is that if you take C++ function or C++, or if you implement your program in C++, that is very important, because most of programming websites or programming challenging websites that gives or that will use C++ to execute that programming challenges. Okay, so here we will take third subsequence, that is also the string type, and that is uh, so students, here on the in the first for loop, we will execute that for loop up to the length of the a, and in the next for loop we will be execute that up to the length of b. So here we will be take two for loops, and after that we use if statement. In that we have to check that a of I is equal to b of I. So we find the subsequence a of I and replace with a of I with star as well as b of j, and that will be replaced with and. So by using that sort, when we get the match strings, for example pretty and woman, in that we have to find, I think, two characters. So from that, or after getting the common permutation string, we print in the form of sort, and that's why we use the sort function. So subsequence dot begin, this is the means from the that particular subsequence variable, from the begin up to the end we print that subsequence in the specific alphabetical order. So at last we print that subsequence, that's it. So this is very simple program. Students, please execute that program on your laptop or computer. as well as, if you possible, that will be executed on your uh, online judge account. If you don't have a turbo C or turbo C++, you will be execute that program on any website those are providing online compiler to you. So this is very simple program. Again, I repeat, for loop, we have to take in here two for loops. First for loop is executed until the string length of A, and the second for loop that will be executed until the string length of B. After that, in the if statement, we will be check the two characters from that two substrings A and B. If that will be match, we will be stored it into subsequence variable, and after that, those are match in A with B. The A string is match character of A string is replaced with star, and match character of B is replaced with ampersand. After that, after getting the subsequence, the match character in between A and B, we start from begin up to the end of that subsequence. We sort the output characters in a specific order, and after this execution, we print by using C out on the output screen or as a sample output, and last one is return 0. This is the program for common permutation. Thank you.